Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Sometimes you may want to sort data using a sort order that is not alphabetically or numerically ascending or descending. These types of sort orders are called custom sort orders. An example of a custom sort order would be the chronological sorting of the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. You can create your own custom sort orders in Excel. After you create a custom sort order, it is available to all Excel worksheets. To create a custom sort order, type the items to add to the custom sort order in the desired order down a column within a worksheet. Then click and drag over the items to select them. Then click the File tab in the ribbon, and then click the Options command at the left side of the Backstage view to open the Options dialog box. Then click the Advanced category at the left side of the Options dialog box. Scroll down through the options in the dialog box, and then click the Edit Custom Lists button to open the Custom Lists dialog box. In this dialog box, a reference to the currently selected cell range appears in the text box in the lower right corner. Click the Import button next to the cell range reference to import the contents of the selected cells into the List Entries box. The custom sort order then appears in the Custom Lists box at the left side of this tab. Note that you can also delete custom lists you have created in this tab as well. To delete a custom list you have created, select it from the Custom Lists box at the left side of this tab. Then click the Delete button at the right side of the tab. Then click the OK button in the confirmation dialog box that appears to delete the selected list. Another way to create a custom list is to type the custom lists entries directly into the List Entries text box in the Custom Lists dialog box. Press the Enter key on your keyboard after adding each list entry to move to a new line and continue entering the list entries. After entering all the list entries, click the Add button to the right to add your list to the Custom Lists text box. When you are finished creating and deleting lists in this dialog box, click the OK button to save your changes. You can then click the OK button within the Options dialog box to save the changes and close the dialog box. To apply a custom sort order to a table in Excel, click anywhere in the data table to sort. Then click the Sort button in the Sort and Filter button group on the Data tab of the ribbon. In the Sort dialog box that appears, use the Sort By or Then By drop-down to select the name of the field that contains the data to which to apply a custom sort order. Then use the Sort On drop-down to select what to sort. This is typically the cell values. Then click the Order drop-down and select Custom List from the drop-down menu. In the Custom Lists dialog box, select the Custom Sort Order to use. Then click the OK button to return to the Sort dialog box. Then click the OK button to apply the custom sort to the specified field.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.